How to set up and use Roamless Esim. Now in this video, I'll show you how you can set up and even use Roamless Esim on your mobile device. So the very first thing that you want to have to do is there are two things first before using Roamless. So first is know where you are traveling so that you will be able to know the actual price of Roamless Esim depending on the location because it will be depending on the place that you're going into because it has a different prices in it. Now once you've done that and figure it out, all you have to do is to go into Google Play Store or any app store that you can use on your end for you to download a Roamless application. Now once you've fully downloaded it, the next thing that you want to have to do is to check if your mobile device has a capability of using eSIM. This is the actual error message that you will see if your device is not compatible. So if your device is compatible, then all you have to do is to choose this option here that you understand, and then just simply follow on-screen prompts for you to be able to set up your Roamless eSIM upon purchase. And that is how you set up and use Roamless eSIM.